Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today's episode we're going to finish up the old snowblower here. As you can see, it's a little cooler now than the last time we were working on it, and next week it's supposed to snow, so it's good timing to get it done. Alright, so our axle is going to slide in just like this. I'll get this part, but okay. Get her lined up over here. Yeah, no. There we go. Get her started. I'll get her through. There we go. Okay. Actually, before I go too far with that, I'm going to put that gear back on. Can you get me the punch? All right. Okay, keep pulling it. I gotta get the gear on. Now, which way did that bolt go? I think it went this way. That makes sense if I do that way. Let me see. Pull it right out. Line up. That's gonna line up. Yeah, I think so. Otherwise, yeah. Otherwise, it's like this, right? Yeah, it's too far that way. Okay, goes this way. Alright, get the gear on here the right way. Goes that way. Oh, hang on. Get ahead of me. Okay, go ahead. Keep going. Keep twisting. Keep pushing. You got that? Here, let me give it a little tap. Watch yourself. Watch out. I suppose I could have put some grease on this. It probably would have made it go a little easier. There we go. All right, that's in. Now I just got to line the holes up here. Looks like we went a little too far. Okay. Now somewhere in my pocket I've got a bolt that goes close into that. There we go. Not started. Oops. There we go. Let's do it this way. There we go. That's better. There, got our bolt back in there, and get that tightened back up. Grab that, bud. Okay, get this tightened up. Grab me a 7/16 wrench. So that axle's pretty tight on that bushing, so that's good. We have got no play now, which is a good thing. Thanks, bud. There we go. That's better. Get this nice and tight. Oh, you know what we forgot to do? Well, dang it. We forgot to put our chain on. Duh. How'd you mess that up? Hey?
I didn't mess it up. You did.
We're going to be well versed on how this thing comes apart and goes together. Alright, that's a simple fix though. I just gotta push the axle through. Go. Slip the chain over. There we are. Get this back through this way.
The chain's not on the bottom.
Yeah, it doesn't need to be. As long as it goes over the axle for now. There we go. Too far. There we are. I do like how good that axle fits in the bearing. Now, definitely much better. Now, just gotta get that. Bolt back on, shear bolt, we're good to go. should be able to get our chain on. Get our chain on, get our wheels on, and this one's pretty much done, other than doing some maintenance on it now. Put it on the bottom, give her a spin here. Get it lined up. Hopefully I don't have to take this chain apart to get it on there. Okay, so in order to get this chain back on, we're going to put the wheels on so we have something to move it around with. To do the wheels, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some grease on the axles. So that was one of the problems we had getting it off. This should help with keeping some of the water out and turning it to rust. I've also fitted 2 3/4 inch washers on this side for spacers. That's how we keep the axle in place now once we get it back together. Grab me a rag, bud. Okay, that should do it. Just gonna put this back on so we don't get grease everywhere. Alright, we're all set to put the wheel on. We've got our grease here. Two washers was too many, so we'll just use one, I guess. There we go. We got a pin here we're going to put down through. That's the proper way to lock these onto your axle. Now, there we go. That's better. There we go, and there's our chain on. Almost. I just got to move the axle over a bit. It's got to go a little bit that way. There, now it's lined up. Not quite, almost lined up. I might have to take that washer out. Jace, can you not do that, bud? Okay, we'll get it after, okay? There we go. That's better. If you ever work with these clips before, watch your fingers, because when they snap down, they really hurt. All right. Now I need to come back that way just a little bit. There. That's better. Okay, now we can put the other wheel on. leave it, bud. Okay, told you, just leave it, please. All right, get this side all greased up. I'm just using a multi-purpose grease here, so nothing fancy. Just something to basically keep the shaft from rusting to the wheel, so we don't have to heat it up like we did the first time to get it off. All right. Okay, pass me the wheel, bud. Okay.
I got some myself in.
Yeah, well, it's okay. It'll melt off. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna need a washer here for sure. Put this one on. Let's see what that does. Almost use the second one. So this side needed the washers, I guess. I'm just using these for spacing so that my wheel is tight on the outside here. Where's that other pin, bud? Yeah, should be another one there in the bag. We'll try to get it on without pinching our fingers in it. There we go. These pins, you can get them pretty much anywhere. Automotive store or hardware store. They're just what they call a spring pin or a lynch pin. Okay, we are back in business. No more play in the axle, and we should be good. So that ends this video. Appreciate you watching. Fairly simple project. The hardest part was getting the wheels off, really. Once we did that and getting the axle out. But once we did that, putting them back together was pretty easy. So if you we want you to subscribe to the channel if you can, and click on the notification bell, and we'll keep trying to bring you all kinds of different content. Thanks for watching.